Hello traders, in this video we're exploring the Forex Freedom Indicator for MT4. We'll cover how its multi-time frame bars appear in a separate sub-window, what the colored blocks imply about trend direction across several time frames, and how traders use it to align with the dominant move. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so the Forex Freedom Indicator, also known as Forex Freedom Bar, appears in its own sub-window below the main chart as a compact stack of colored bars representing different time frames. Each horizontal row corresponds to a specific time frame, and each bar in that row is colored based on the underlying CCI-based calculation for that period. One of the time frames show red bars. The display implies a strong aligned downward trend across these horizons. When I show blue bars, it implies a strong aligned uptrend. Mixed colors indicate that different time frames are not fully in agreement, suggesting pullbacks or conflicting conditions that traders may treat more cautiously. Because the indicator condenses multiple CCI readings into one visual panel, it becomes easier to see at a glance whether the broader markets or the broader market structure supports buying, selling, or waiting. As for the indicator settings, let's see what we have at the inputs. So the time frame mapping defines which specific time frames. For example, you can choose the 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, or 4 hours. Alright. We also have the auto display, which you can toggle to be true or false. We have the gap as well. You can also customize the colors that appear in the separate sub window, so it stands out clearly with your underlying MT4 chart theme. Alright, so who is this indicator for? The Forex Freedom Indicator is designed for traders who want a quick visual summary of trend direction across several time frames instead of checking each chart separately. It can be especially useful for traders who prefer to enter in the direction of the higher time frame trend while timing pullbacks or continuations on lower time frames. The indicator is a visual analytical tool only and does not execute trades, so entries, exits, and risk sizing remain completely under the trader's control. As with other multi-time frame tools, its readings are based on historical CCI values and can be pinned as new data comes in, and full agreement across time frames is relatively rare, so it should be used together with price action analysis and risk management rather than on its own. The download link for the Forex Freedom Indicator for MT4 is in the description below. You can read more about how CCI based bars are calculated and see chart examples on the Forex Geek website. If you like more videos on multi-time frame trend tools, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.